Greetings, adventure lovers. We're Roger and Brenda, and Ride Ohio is our passion project where we share our motorcycle experiences. Every mile on the road tells a story.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. If things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow, and rain, rain, go away.
Back on the break.
Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time.
Head southeast. In 800 feet, slide left onto the ramp to Frierson. Right left onto the ramp to Frierson. In a quarter mile, merge onto I-49
I
south.
know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes.
Head south toward Louisiana 175 south. Make a U-turn at Park Road, then turn right onto the I-49 south ramp.
Rain, rain, go away.
Head south on Louisiana 175 south. In 400 feet, head east.